Alrighty boys, so we're just getting some, we're gonna replace all 3 of these cab mounts. We're taking off one up here too. So 4 on this side, 2 on that side. Probably gonna be 3. But we're just marking them up before we cut them off, so you get the idea. Alright, so we're doing a bit of a different video here, kind of a slideshow, because it was pissing rain as I was working outside, so I didn't really want to have my phone out. But you get the idea. We cut the tops off, we cut the sides off, and then we just grind the heads of the rivets off, and then we get our chisel in between the bracket and the frame, knock that off, and then we get the remainder of the rivet stud out, and then you just tap them out. Literally, like, you don't even need to hit them hard, they come right out first try. Well, there it is. We got all the cab mounts off on this side. 1, 2, 3. Hit this with the fucking... Hit her with that soon. We'll get her clean. It's starting to piss down rain right now, so we're gonna get her tidied up here. So just like the others, we got all the brackets off, tap the studs out. So basically I grinded off as much rust as I felt possible. I didn't want to take too much off the frame, and then I painted the frame a little. So we got a new drill press today. Testing her out. She's working pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, so we got these all done. We're just gonna drill these top holes out to a 3/4. We'll get her licked, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.